Hi everyone, Gagajoy, and I'm glad you dropped in today. We're going to be making a coconut pie. I just got through making a cake, so this is my, which I've already had on video. So this is my coconut pie, and it's such an easy pie. I think you'll love it. It's like a show pie. It's so pretty. I've got 1/4 of a stick of butter and 1 can of Eagle brand sweetened milk, or I don't know if you call it sweetened milk, condensed milk. That's what it is. This, there's so many recipes for, I bet you could buy a cookbook. I've never noticed. I bet there's cookbooks out there just for condensed milk. And I don't make this often because I have several people in my family that don't like coconut. I'm sure that all families have little quirks of everything. I have people that don't like different things in the family, and you just have to go with them sometimes, So this is one of my favorites. It's called Coconut Macaroon, really. And there used to be a macaroon cookie. I think Nabisco used to make it. I loved that cookie. It had a little pink icing in between. That's what I think was so good. 1/4 of a cup of just regular flour, all purpose. A pie is not like a cake where there's so many different things to add to it. I'm sure there are some pies like that, but pies like this are just so easy and so smart and so pretty to take places. Okay, now I'm going to put a teaspoon of almond in it. Anytime you use coconut or peaches, almond is just makes everything so much better. It just gives it that good flavor. Plus it smells good. Now, let me put a pinch of salt in it. Anytime you use eggs, you use a little teeny pinch of salt. Now, this is a 14-ounce package of coconut. And you put most of it in there, except about a cup. And just stir it up. And it's, as you say, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got a pie to put in the shell. I hope you like coconut, because this is truly a wonderful coconut pie. It's just got that real, with the almond and the coconut. It's just so delightful. Now, for the rest of your coconut, you put it on top of the pie. And this will get a little bit brown. Brown coconut is so good. Toasted coconut. So it's truly a coconut pie. I've got my oven on 350. It'll take about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to watch it, and if I see the coconut is getting too roasted, I'll put a piece of aluminum foil over it. I just took it out of the oven, and as you see, it's beautiful. I can't pick it up, it's so hot. And it has to set for 3 hours to set up. I wish I could take a little spoon out of it right now, but I won't mess it up. Not right now. Thanks for dropping by and seeing my coconut pie. I'd love to do it because my mother used to make this pie. Subscribe, ring that bell. Let me know how you like the pie, and if you got a better one, recipe, we'll give that a try too. I love doing stuff like that. And remember the joy. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.